Hi, today I'm running your Redmi A1 Plus and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key button, we can see that the camera application is activated, and if you wanna change this option, for example, to use the torch, for example, from the double press to power key, we should open the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Then go to the gesture shortcuts, click here to turn on touch, but before we should turn off launch camera by double press the power key button option. So now click turn on touch, double press power button switcher, we should activate it by this way, and now just let's press twice to the power key button and we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.